By next week, you will have been learning tenses for a month. Sounds advanced? It's not. Let's unlock the future perfect continuous tense. I made it super simple with the real life examples and quick rules. Before diving, have you subscribed to this channel? If not, please do subscribe for more powerful grammar episodes. Okay, before further ado, let's dive in. What is future perfect continuous tense? It is used to show that an action will be continuing up to a certain point in the future. So think about an action that started earlier and is still continuing on when you look ahead into the future. Now let's see when we use it. Actually, we use it to emphasize the duration before a future point, like by next June, I will have been living in Dublin for 2 years. Here I am emphasizing the duration before a future point. Next, it's also used to explain a cause of a future result, like she will be tired because she will have been working all day. So the reason of her tiredness is she has been working all day. Now let's see how can we structure the future perfect continuous tense. So you should start with the subject followed by will have been followed by verb plus ing to frame an affirmative sentence. So let's see some examples. I will have been studying for 3 hours by 9 p.m. She will have been working here for 5 years next month. Both the sentences will have been happening at a point of time in the future. Next, if you want to frame a negative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by will not, followed by have been, followed by verb plus ing. And don't forget to use verb plus ing since it's a continuous tense. Examples: she won't have been sleeping for long when the guests arrive. I will not have been waiting that long by 6 p.m. Now let's see how to frame an interrogative sentence. So you should start with the auxiliary verb will followed by subject followed by have been followed by verb plus ing. And examples are: will you have been working there for a year by December? Will they have been living in Dublin for 10 years? Now you know how to frame a future perfect continuous tense and when we use it. Now let's fix some of the common mistakes that we often make. We don't say I will have been working for 6 hours. Instead say I will have been working for 6 hours. Remember to use been instead of being while framing future perfect continuous tense. Next, we don't say next year I will have worked at the company for 10 years. Instead, say next year I will have been working at the company for 10 years. Use future perfect continuous to focus on the duration of the action. So guys, here is a small challenge for you all. You guys can comment a sentence using the future perfect continuous tense. And if you have any questions about this tense, please do reach out me in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, please do like and share with your friends who need to learn about it.